14. Which function rule describes the data in the table? There's many ways that you can go about this. Since it is multiple choice, we can go through and look and see which choice works. So this one says that we're going to take the x value and subtract 6. So negative 5 minus 6 gives me negative 11. I'm going to keep trying. Negative 3 minus 6 gives me negative 9, not negative 7. So that won't work. So then I try the next one. The next one says to take the x and double it and then add 1. So if I multiply this by 2, that's going to give me negative 10. Negative 10 plus 1 is not negative 11. So that wouldn't work. Here we take the x and add 6. So negative 5 plus 6 gives me 1, not negative 11. So these we've ruled out. Now we're just going to make sure this works. And it's got to work for all of them. So we double it and then subtract 1. So that gives me negative 10 minus 1 is negative 11. This negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and then minus 1 is negative 7. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. So D is the correct answer. Now, the other way to do that is to use your calculator. So let me show you. If you go to y equals on your calculator, okay, so y equals is right here, and then you can type in the equation, so x minus 6. If you hit second table and go through and look at your numbers, so negative 5 is negative 11, but negative 3 is negative 9. So that doesn't work. So then you could go back and type this one in. Sorry, let me see that. 2x plus 1. Go to your table. Same thing, negative 5 says negative 9. Negative 3 says negative 5. So those don't work. So when you type in the last one, you go to your table, you can see there's the negative 11, there's the negative 7. If I scroll down to 4, there's the 7, and to 9, there's the 17. So that's another way of using your calculator to compare your answers.